Are you ready to embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of vinyl? Meet Dual's CS Series, the modern solution to an old-school love. If you're craving that rich, warm sound that only vinyl can provide, keep watching as we explore the turntable that can take your listening experience to the next level. So, who exactly is Dual? Picture this: a 50-year legacy in the music industry, dominating the turntable game during the golden age of vinyl in the 60s and 70s. Now they're back and better than ever, perfectly blending classic elegance with cutting-edge technology. I'm Raymond Miller, your passionate product specialist from Audio Advisor, and I can't wait to dive into each model in Dual's stellar CS lineup. Each offers not only amazing features, but also an experience that redefines how you enjoy music. Let's start with the gateway model, the CS329. It's fantastic for anyone stepping into the world of vinyl for the first time. Why? Because this beauty makes listening as easy as pressing a button. With its trusty Audio-Technica AT-91 cartridge, your records will sound impressively balanced and vibrant. Worried about dropping the tonearm and damaging your record or stylus? Not here. This fully automatic turntable handles all that for you, ensuring every vinyl spins smoothly without any of the scratchy mishaps. Now, if you're ready to raise the bar, let's talk about the CS429. It's more than just a turntable. It's a ticket to a richer, fuller sound. This model flaunts the fantastic Ortofon 2M Red cartridge, a hidden gem worth $100 that takes your listening experience up a notch. But that's not all. The redesigned tonearm features high-quality bearings and a superb counterweight system, offering you precision like you've never heard before. When paired with the stylish black ash plinth, it gives you cleaner sound and better resonance control. Plus, you can adjust tracking force and anti-skating for that perfect sound. And here's the kicker: it comes with a built-in phono preamp. This means you can connect to any modern amplifier or powered speakers with ease. And if you want to use your own audiophile phono stage later, absolutely. There's flexibility as your system evolves. Now, for the ultimate vinyl lover's dream, let me introduce you to the game-changing CS529. This marvel keeps all the incredible features from the 429 and cranks them up with some jaw-dropping innovations. Imagine controlling your turntable with just your phone. That's right. With Bluetooth capabilities, using the Dual app, you can manage playback, start, stop, even lift the tonearm, all from your cozy listening spot. It's perfect for those tricky places where your equipment is set up. Plus, this beauty sports a significantly heavier platter and an upgraded plinth available in luxurious walnut or black ash. These aren't just stylish touches. They ensure better speed stability and reduced resonance for effortless listening bliss. Picture this: streaming your favorite vinyl wirelessly to Bluetooth headphones late at night, or grooving to your favorite albums in another room with portable speakers. The 529 makes this dream a reality, all thanks to its high-quality aptX HD Bluetooth technology. From the user-friendly CS329 to the feature-packed CS429 and the innovative CS529, Dual has a turntable that perfectly meets your music-loving needs. Each model promises automated convenience and rich, lasting sound quality. With our 5-year warranties and expert setup assistance from Audio Advisor, you can trust that you're making an investment in years of joyful vinyl listening. Are you excited? Ready to choose your perfect CS model? Visit us at audioadvisor.com or give us a call at 800-942-0220 to find out more about Dual's CS Series turntables. Thanks for joining me on this vinyl adventure. I'm Ray Miller, and I can't wait to hear how you enjoy your music. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give us your feedback.